Vanessa Hayes. I am the Executive Director of Evergreen Nature Center, where our focus is hands-on family learning. We take advantage of our lakeside setting and offer all sorts of programs for ages 2 and up. Water spiders glide on top, and tiny critters never stop. Puddle play, hot little critters move all day. Puddle play, little critters move all day. Oh, wait 1 second, let's leave that there just for a second. Puddle play,
There. You have a crayfish. Did you find a crayfish?
Want to see?
That's not it.
Easier. Let's look down at this.
Yeah.
He's a pinchy crab. It's going fast. Take it out.
Thank you for coming, and I hope you join us again next month and the one after that, because we're going to have a lot of fun stuff to do. Evergreen Nature Center!